Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm so excited to talk to you about Jon Renau's Easy Pieces. A lot of word on the street about him. To be honest, I've been very nervous about doing this content video for you because Easy Pieces are amazing perk for those that wear toppers. I don't wear toppers, but I'm here to kind of talk to you about them and to share with you about what they are and what they can be used for. So Easy Pieces was just released the beginning of February 2020 for Jon Renau. They come in these adorable little boxes. And as you can see, I had the color 12FS8, which is a beautiful color. However, I don't have a human hair piece in that color, nor do I have a synthetic piece in that color. I do have my Gwyneth wig on, and this is an FS2631, but I'm gonna show it to you in this color. And this is such a gorgeous color and a very popular color. So let's kind of talk about the Easy Pieces. Are they extensions? No, they're not extensions. They are volumizers. They are to increase your volume in your hair. So typically a topper is just on top, but they found that they were adding a lot of pieces, like extensions, in whenever they were taking pictures of their new toppers. And then they were realizing they're using extensions to bring volume, but then yet cutting the extensions. So they're like, what can we create for our topper wearers that is gonna add some volume into their piece where they still feel like, okay, great, I have volume up here, and then down here, there's nothing, right? So they created these volumizer pieces to give you exactly what you need. The Easy Pieces are all in human hair. So I'm going to pull some of these out for you and show them to you. This first one is in the size 12 by 4. They all come like this. And this piece right here, they come packaged like that. Really cute bowed in the back. They come very light. I've had extensions before my hair loss was extensive. And the reason for me of why I couldn't wear extensions were they were very heavy. They were just overly done, super heavy. The clips hurt. Instantly when I look at this is my first time actually pulling it out and looking at it, it's thin. It is very light density, very light density. This is such a smooth, thin base. This is done with polyurethane, and it's hand painted on polyurethane so that it lays as sleek as possible to your scalp. That means you're not gonna have these indents of, oh, she has some tracks in, right? Because nobody wants to see that. It's gonna lay super flat and nicely against your scalp. These are pressure point sensitive clips. Okay, so this 4 by 12 piece would probably be a piece that would go right around here. Now, I should have my comb out to part that. Now, I'm going to try, but you want to be careful because I have a cap in here, right? I'm wearing a wig. So I want to be careful of that cap. Now this is kind of cool because it pops a little bit blonder, right? So another tip with these is you want to match your color, and you can do that with the Jon Renau human hair color rings, which I have put out a video out before on my Instagram TV. But if you're not sure what color to get, you can order one of these color rings to see. Now, this is what we kind of recommend. Around the face, doing a lighter color, and then underneath, maybe doing a darker color to add some contrast. So as you can see, this is a 12FS8, the Easy Piece is the 12 FS8, and I'm wearing FS 2631. So it adds a little bit of a highlight in there, right? So typically you want that one kind of right in there, okay? So you can see how thin that lays. Actually, I could have pulled it more, but I was trying to be careful of the cap. But it kind of pops some color there, right? So let me kind of show you some of the other sizes. So I have another 12 by 4, which would go on this side as well, okay? So the 4-inch pieces are designed to go on the side. I then have a 8 by 6. This size is typically designed to go just above your nape, down around this bottom section. I will try to insert a picture here that kind of demonstrates where you could have that. And it'd be kind of underneath the nape, not exactly right across the top, a little bit lower. That's going to add some volume to down right here. Okay, that's where you're going to want to use the 6-inch piece. So you can do 6 inches, I believe, in different sizes. Mine is 6 by 8. So that's going to be 8-inch nape, an 8-inch length by 6 inches across. The next size I have is a 12 by 9-inch. So that is going to be right along here at your widest part. You want to also make sure you're not hitting your other clips here on the sides. And that's going to be at the widest part. I can actually bring up this 12 by 4 a little higher too. But the 12 by 9 is going to go right in here along the widest part of your head. And that's going to provide volume in the back underneath your topper. So maybe you're doing a topper, but you want some little bit more highlighting in the front. That's where you could do a lighter color on your 4-inch side pieces, and then do a longer, darker color for your nape 6-inch piece. And then if you want, you could still keep the darker around the base, or you could do lighter, whatever you prefer. My pieces are all 12 FS8. Another tip that you can do with these is to add a little bit of volume into your hair and to kind of help it grit onto your hair, especially those of you that wear toppers. Your hair is thin, and so sometimes getting those clips to fit in, sometimes my hair was so thin when I was wearing extensions, the hair would just slip through and there was no grit. I haven't yet done a webinar on this yet, but I just got it in the mail, so I had to share it with you. It is the new Jon Renau Pick Me Up. This is a volumizer and a dry shampoo. So you can actually spray it on your hair and then add your Easy Pieces on it. This is going to allow your Easy Pieces to get a little bit of grip onto that hair and be able to stick and stay. This is also great for reducing shine or adding volume to your hair. More on this to come later. So mainly you want to measure the length that you're going for and measure your bio hair. This would be a great length for a 12-inch. You could also go with a 16-inch and then trim to what you need, with it being human hair. They come in different sizes based on your needs. So number one, you want to measure the lengths that you want. You also want to pick out a color to match your bio hair, which you can use the Jon Renau color ring. Also on these, the polyurethane has 2 stitches, 2 single stitches across to help durability, so you will not lose or shed hair as much, which makes these Easy Pieces last a lot longer for you. It's really cute to add a little spunk of color in there. I mean, it looks good on the camera. I'm not looking in the mirror or anything, but it kind of looks good to add a little bit of spunk in there and a little blonde, you know? It adds volume in there for you. So if you are a topper wearer, but you need a little bit of volume, or maybe want to try some lighter pieces on your topper, these are great. You don't have to get all 4. They are sold separately, so you can buy them per your needs. Maybe you just want something in the front, you could buy the 2 4-inch sides. Maybe you need a little bit more coverage in your nape. You can buy one of the nape sizes to get that fullness underneath there. Remember, they are human hair, so you can straighten them, curl them, do whatever you want to with your human hair topper to get that style. Now, I mean, I still have room in here that I could have made it a little bit tighter, but you cannot see these. They lie so nicely, and they're super thin, which is really amazing. Like I said, these easy pieces just snip right out, no pain. I'm very impressed with the making of these. The quality of these is just incredible. But this is 12FS8, and it is a beautiful color. I love this color. But these are designed very nicely, very thin. The polyurethane is thin, and the clips are very easy, but yet very sturdy. So they will hold on to your hair. But I would definitely also get the Jon Renau Pick Me Up, which is a volumizer, a dry shampoo. It's gonna do a lot of work for you with your topper, with your easy pieces, even with some synthetic pieces that you have. I hope you learned what these are all about. These are great, and I'm so excited about what they're gonna provide for the topper community. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. Bye.